Malaika Arora got huge money from Arbaz Khan as alimony. One of the hottest couples of Bollywood, Malaika and Arbaz, has unfortunately parted their ways. Malaika Arora and Arbaz Khan got married on 12 December 1998 in a lavish wedding. Malaika gave birth to their only child Arhan Khan in the year 2002. Malaika and Arbaz were married for 18 long years before suddenly parting ways from each other. The couple applied for a divorce in the year 2016 and got separated officially in 2017. Everything was going well in their separation process until Malaika demanded a huge amount of money for settlement. Let us find out in the video how much money did Malaika get as settlement price. Malaika and Arbaz were leading a happy conjugal life until Malaika met Arjun Kapoor. This Bollywood actress was head over heels in love with Arjun Kapoor and decided to leave her husband for him. Salman and Arbaz Khan tried too much to convince Malaika, but she was determined to end 18 years long marriage. Malaika accused Arbaz Khan of having an extramarital affair with Arbaz's current girlfriend, Georgia Indriani. Everything was going well in that legal battle until Malaika decided to take a hefty amount of money from her ex-husband Arbaz. Yes, it is right. Malaika, who is a strong independent woman and successful celebrity, demanded huge money from Arbaz for settlement. This former hot couple of Bollywood went through many counseling sessions before divorce. They approached the Bandra High Court for their divorce with mutual consent, and Malaika also demanded money. As per the reports, Malaika demanded huge amount of 10 to 15 crore from Arbaz Khan as settlement money. Sources close to the family has revealed that Malaika clearly stated that she would not accept a single penny less than 10 crore. The Khan family did not want to make the situation any worse, so Arbaz gave Malaika a huge amount of 15 crore as per her demand. Malaika also won the custody battle of their son Arhan, who was then 14 years old as per court. Arbaz has unlimited access to Arhan. Malaika also demanded from Arbaz the full expense for the upbringing of their son Arhan. The Khan family never liked the lifestyle of Malaika, as she always led a very expensive lifestyle. Her flamboyant lifestyle was hated by the Khan family and she never got along with her sisters-in-law, Arpita and Alvira. The Khan family believed Arhan would be a spoiled kid if he stays with her mother, but unfortunately, Malaika got his custody. That is why Arbaz got agreed with her demands and just wanted unlimited access to his son, which he got. These famous Bollywood celebrities still celebrate the birthday of their son together. Both the stars have moved on in their respective lives after their divorce. Arbaz Khan has confirmed his relationship with Georgia Indriani and they are going strong with each passing day. And on the other hand, Malaika is dating happily Arjun Kapoor, and as per reports, they will get married soon this year. Leave your thought in comment section and subscribe our channel for more updates.